Hey guys, my name is Gorretti. If you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So in this video, I'm showing you how to do a high fluffy puff using only gel. I'm going to be using the olive oil eco styler gel. One thing I have noticed when I use eco styler gel is that my hair flakes a lot. Like I have a lot of white flakes, but I don't know if it's because of the things I mix with gel. I mean with the leave-in conditioner, hair cream, oil. But even though my hair has some oil, it's somehow dry, as you can see. And since I trimmed my hair a few days ago, it looks like it has more volume. I'm only going to be spraying my hair. In this bottle, I have water, rose water, some leave-in conditioner, and a mixture of several oils. And this is all I'm going to use, and the gel. So let's do a fluffy high puff with just gel. I'm using a really small amount of gel. Apply it on the outer side of your hair, all around your head. Then use a brush to comb your hair. Once I'm done combing the hair, I'm going to use a shoelace to tie the hair. I prefer using a shoelace because it is really soft, unlike a thread which will cause friction and cause hair breakage. A shoelace is really soft and it like slides on the hair. Okay, now I'm going to lay the edges. I don't have much of edges, but I'm going to use a different gel. This is a holding gel, so a very small amount. ratting comb or a brush. So there's my high fluffy puff. I would add curls, but I'm trying to do a style that takes literally 3 minutes, and this has taken like just 3 minutes to complete. To lay the edges, you might need to tie a scarf, or simply wear a bonnet like that and let it sit like that for a couple of minutes. Then it will be done like in 5 minutes. I'll be back to show you what my hair looks like. So let's see how my hair looks. And by the way, I have the most dramatic eyelashes ever. You can pick the roots using a comb, but I prefer just picking it using my fingers, like so. And yeah, there I have the most fluffy high puff ever, as you can see. And by the way, my hair, the gel did not flake for once. I don't know why, but it did not flake, but I'm not complaining. So that is all for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, family, and anyone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.